Il-kritika u l-kummenti li rċefiet fl-aħħar xhur donnu ftit li xejn nafru mill-inċisività li għandha din il-mexxej ta' 36 sena. It-tlieta filgħodu l-Prim Ministru tal-Finlandja, Sanna Marin, ma dejqet xejn tindirizza l-aktar temi li bħalissa qed jolqtu direttament l-Unjoni Ewropea u mal-MPs preżenti fi Strasburgu kienet ċara ħafna, speċjalment dwar il-gwerra fil-Lvant tal-Ewropa fejn insistiet illi l-Ukrajna se toħroġ rebbieħa.
The role of the European Parliament as a defender of our joint values is very important at a time when these values are challenged, put to the test. And the European Union is the most important political framework of all of its member states. And after Russia's aggression, we have proven that we can act together, work together over and over again. And the unity of Europe does not come from above. It comes from lively democratic discussion and from an understanding towards each other.
Sanna Marin kienet qed tiftaħ id-dibattitu bit-tema This is Europe, is-sitt dibattitu tax-xorta tiegħu li qed isiru fuq inizjattiva tal-President tal-Parlament Ewropew Roberta Metsola. Bil-President fl-istess laqgħa tinsisti li bħalissa l-Ewropa teħtieġ pjan dwar l-għoli tal-ħajja u l-kriżi tal-enerġija.
Now it is time to respond, to stand up to the values and for the values that give Europe its sustainable advantage. And in doing so, we must be ready to adapt to the changing geopolitical realities. Right now, people are worried about the soaring prices of gas and electricity. There are things that we can do together, even temporarily, to limit the impact while we implement long-term strategies. We can no longer afford to depend on undependable actors.
Intant wara d-diskors li għamlet il-Prim Ministru tal-Finlandja tkellmu il-kapijiet tal-gruppi politiċi kollha li hemm rappreżentati fil-Parlament Ewropew u aktar qabel l-istess Sanna Marin kellha laqa bilaterali ma' Roberta Metsola.